In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for data augmentation, a step-by-step guide. We'll start by locking down your workspace so your proprietary data stays private. On the main dashboard, head to the bottom left corner, click your profile picture, open Settings, then Data Controls, and toggle off the option labeled Improve the Model for Everyone. With that off, your training text, labels, and augmentation inputs are excluded from public AI training. If you're handling high-volume production datasets, consider using the developer dashboard via the API, where workspace data is isolated by default. Next, route your tasks to the right processing tier. At the very top of your chat window, use the model selection framework to match complexity to capability. Choose the instant tier for rapid token level augmentations, such as injecting random typos, swapping simple synonyms, or creating small grammatical variations at scale. When your job demands deeper reasoning, like back translation, honoring strict syntactic constraints, generating balanced edge cases, or producing strict JSON that adheres to a schema, switch to the thinking tier for more context-aware output. Now prime the system with a dataset specification, not a vague one-liner. Hold Shift plus Enter to craft a multi-line block that sets your role, goals, and constraints. For example, frame it as building a responsive augmentation pipeline to rebalance an underrepresented class and instruct the model to first ask 3 targeted questions: your downstream task type, your desired distribution changes, lexical versus semantic diversity, and your strict formatting requirements. Answer those questions one by one so you're aligned before any synthetic rows are generated. Once aligned, open your data augmentation canvas to work cleanly. Type a command requesting a structured augmentation matrix and ask it to organize a table with columns like unique ID, original text string, augmented text variation, applied strategy, such as back translation or contextual insertion, and the target training label. Your browser will split, prompts on the left, a syntax-friendly canvas on the right. With the preliminary data set in the canvas, refine diversity inline. Highlight any row, click the floating comment bubble, and give a precise instruction. For instance, that a variation is too similar and should be aggressively paraphrased while keeping the intent label, changing vocabulary, and even reversing sentence structure to test robustness. Only that highlighted block will update. Finally, validate and export. If you need programmatic ingestion, highlight the table, open the comment bubble, and request conversion into a clean, syntactically valid JSON array of objects. Use the Fix Bugs tool in the lower right of the canvas to catch issues like trailing commas. When it's clean, click Export or Download in the canvas header and choose your native format such as JSON or CSV, ready for your Python environment or training workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.